12 Health benefits of eating mushrooms every day. Mushrooms are not merely a delicious pizza topping or a delightful ingredient in an omelette, they also offer numerous health benefits. In fact, their nutritional value is so remarkable that they were referred to as the plant of immortality by ancient Egyptians. Embracing mushrooms as part of your diet can contribute to your overall well-being and provide you with a range of health advantages. In this discussion, we will delve into the various health benefits associated with consuming mushrooms. Not only are they an excellent source of essential micronutrients, but there are also intriguing connections between mushrooms and other aspects of well-being. Can mushrooms truly promote restful sleep? How do they impact your gut health? Are they effective in combating depression? We will explore and address these questions in detail, providing insights into the remarkable potential mushrooms have in enhancing your overall health and vitality. Stay tuned for an enlightening conversation on the subject. 1. Source of micronutrients. Not only are mushrooms delicious, but they are also rich in essential micronutrients that are likely lacking in your current diet. A study revealed that by consuming a daily serving of mushrooms, you can fulfill your daily micronutrient needs. The greatest advantage is that you don't need to be concerned about increasing your calorie or sodium intake. Mushrooms provide your body with all the necessary micronutrients it requires. 2. Improves gut health. Maintaining optimal gut health is crucial for overall well-being. When your gut health is compromised, it can negatively impact your overall health. Mushrooms are an excellent food choice to support your gut health due to their notable fiber content. However, it's not just the fiber that contributes to this benefit. Scientific research indicates that mushrooms also contain potent prebiotics, which play a significant role in promoting regular bowel movements and enhancing overall health. Furthermore, mushrooms offer an additional advantage for individuals with diabetes, as their prebiotic properties have been shown to positively impact gut bacteria and enhance insulin production, particularly in the case of shiitake mushrooms. 3. Great for the immune system. Mushrooms possess compounds that possess the ability to stimulate and strengthen your immune system in various ways. By doing so, they enable your body to defend against harmful bacteria and a wide range of viruses. One notable component found in mushrooms is beta-glucans, which are bioactive substances that contribute to boosting the immune system. Additionally, beta-glucans offer additional benefits such as aiding in the regulation of blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of diabetes. Among the sources of soluble dietary fiber, mushrooms, along with oysters, are considered highly effective. 4. Packed with vitamin D. Vitamin D is a vital nutrient that should be included in your diet. However, many individuals do not obtain sufficient amounts of it through their food intake. While sunlight is recognized as the best source of vitamin D, mushrooms offer an excellent alternative for obtaining this nutrient. It's not always feasible for everyone to spend time outdoors every day. Surprisingly, research indicates that over 40% of adults in the United States suffer from a vitamin D deficiency. Fortunately, mushrooms can provide a substantial portion, ranging from 50 to 100%, of your daily vitamin D requirement. Vitamin D plays a crucial role as its deficiency can lead to persistent fatigue, regardless of proper meal consumption, as well as potentially impacting bone health and weakening the immune system. To ensure you're obtaining adequate vitamin D, look for mushrooms labeled UVB when purchasing them. These mushrooms have been exposed to sunlight during growth, unlike those cultivated in darkness. Consequently, UVB-labeled mushrooms naturally contain vitamin D, as they convert the compound ergosterol. By consuming just 3 ounces of these mushrooms, you can fulfill your daily vitamin D needs. 5. Helps deal with inflammation. Incorporating mushrooms into your regular diet can be beneficial in preventing inflammation. Mushrooms are abundant in anti-inflammatory properties, making them effective in combating inflammation. Moreover, they contain a compound known as selenium, which possesses antioxidant properties that contribute to reducing inflammation. The presence of beta-glucans in mushrooms further aids in fighting inflammation. Among different mushroom varieties, oyster mushrooms contain the highest levels of beta-glucans, enhancing their anti-inflammatory benefits. 6. Reduces chances of depression. In contemporary discussions, mental health holds great significance, and for valid reasons. While there is no single food that can cure mental health issues, certain dietary additions can certainly offer assistance. Mushrooms are among the foods that can potentially diminish the risk of depression. Scientific studies have revealed that individuals who include mushrooms in their regular diet have a significantly lower likelihood of experiencing depression. This connection can be attributed to the presence of numerous bioactive compounds in mushrooms. Additionally, mushrooms are rich in vitamin B12 and antioxidants, both of which contribute to reducing the likelihood of further mental health challenges. 7. Reduces signs of aging. Incorporating mushrooms into your regular diet offers the added advantage of maintaining a more youthful appearance for an extended period. While mushrooms cannot halt the natural aging process, their antioxidants play a significant role in safeguarding your body against stressors that contribute to bodily deterioration. Research has indicated that the antioxidants responsible for this effect are ergothioneine and glutathione, both abundantly present in mushrooms. If your goal is to retain a youthful look, incorporating mushrooms into your diet is the optimal approach. 8. Helps improve memory and protect your brain. As we age, we not only experience visible signs of aging but also the potential decline in mental cognition. However, including mushrooms in your regular diet can help prevent this decline. In a study, it was observed that consuming just 3/4 of a cup of mushrooms twice a week can significantly reduce the risk of cognitive decline. To safeguard against cognitive decline, incorporating mushrooms into your meals is highly recommended. Moreover, the antioxidants ergothioneine and glutathione found in mushrooms can play a protective role against brain diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. If you aim to minimize the chances of developing these diseases, it is advisable to consume at least 5 button mushrooms on a daily basis. 9. Can protect heart health. While many people rely on salt to enhance the flavor of their dishes, excessive salt intake can have negative effects on heart health and blood pressure. Fortunately, using mushrooms in your recipes not only adds delicious flavor but also proves to be more beneficial. Mushrooms contain compounds that offer excellent taste without compromising heart health. In fact, even if you use a whole cup of mushrooms, you're only adding 5 milligrams of sodium. Furthermore, if you aim to improve your overall health by reducing red meat consumption, mushrooms serve as an excellent substitute. They eliminate cholesterol and fat while providing a satisfying and enjoyable food experience. 10. Helps you sleep. Are you struggling with sleep difficulties? Do you find it challenging to unwind at night due to the overwhelming stress of your daily life? Are you experiencing anxiety and waking up in the middle of the night? Consider incorporating mushrooms, particularly reishi mushrooms, into your routine to support your body in adapting to daily stresses. Reishi mushrooms possess calming properties that can help quiet your mind, allowing you to attain the restful sleep you require. Mushrooms aid your body in coping with the stresses of life and enable you to adapt to unexpected challenges that may arise. 11. Helps with weight loss. Are you aiming to lose excess weight? Incorporating mushrooms into your diet can be a sneaky and effective strategy. While mushrooms may not be commonly associated with fiber, they actually contain 2 remarkable types of dietary fiber, beta-glucans and chitin. These fibers can enhance satiety and diminish your appetite, ultimately assisting in weight loss. Additionally, mushrooms are rich in B vitamins, which support the conversion of food into energy and aid in the metabolism of protein and fat. By including mushrooms in your meals, you can benefit from their weight management properties while also enjoying their abundant B vitamin content. 12. Helps lower your blood cholesterol levels. If you're concerned about maintaining healthy blood cholesterol levels, consider incorporating shiitake mushrooms into your diet. Shiitake mushrooms, readily available in most grocery stores, lend a delightful smoky flavor to dishes such as stir-fries and stews. Scientific studies have identified a cholesterol-lowering compound present in shiitake mushrooms, which aids in the reabsorption of any excess cholesterol produced by the body. While mushrooms are indeed beneficial for your health, it's worth noting that other fruits and vegetables also contribute to overall well-being. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.